Hello, welcome to another 2-minute tips video. In this one I want to talk about showing and hiding parents within the library module in Lightroom. Hello, welcome to In Studio. I'm Ian Butterfield. Now, it's always good to organise where you have your folders stored. So for example, you might want to organise your folders by year, as I have here. And under each of these years, I've got a number of folders. Now there's only a few folders in each year because this is my training catalogue. But you can see each folder and the number of shoots within it. Now, if I go over into Lightroom, we really want that to be reflected in the Lightroom catalogue. But as you can see here, I've got a top level folder for 2005, but for 2006, no top level folder. And even though these are stored like that within the folder structure I've just shown you, is not reflected in Lightroom. And that can happen for a number of reasons, not least of all how you've imported your images. If you've imported from a top level and you've done a number of subfolders, you can end up with this sort of structure. So how do we solve it? The solution's really easy. We go over to any of these lower level ones and we can right click on it and say show parent folder. So that brings them all together, those 2008 ones now within a 2008 folder on there. Or if you want to go the other way and decide, well actually I want them all at top level, you can do it by clicking on one of these top level ones and say hide this parent. Now it's worth noting you can only hide a parent folder if it's actually the very top level one. So for example, if I try to hide this one, stones, you can see it doesn't show up. I can hide 2011 because that's at the top level at the moment within the structure. So let me go through and do all of them. So now we've got all our folders at the top level within the display, but after a period of time you might decide that is getting a little bit unwieldy and you want to bring them together under their individual years. So do we have to go through every single one of them? No, we don't. Here's my final tip for this 2-minute tips video. I choose one of them and say show parent folder on that. Now if I then go up to that 2005 folder, you can see all the 2005 ones are in there, and do show parent on that, that brings in, because it's one level above, everything below there turns up. So all these subfolders have appeared, which does mean now if I hide photos one, so hide this parent, and hey presto, I've got all of them shown at the top level. So that's it for this 2-minute tip. Use hide and show parent to organise your folder structure within the library module of Lightroom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.